Hi everyone, welcome again to this new Baguette Investor channel. Hope you're doing very well. It's springtime right now in France. We're having wonderful weather. Anyway, this video we're gonna talk about how to create a screener according to your strategy. I'm repeating myself again. How to create a cryptocurrency, stocks, forex, anything you want screener according to your strategy. We're gonna get right into it. Hope you will find some useful information. So the first thing we need to know if we're creating a cryptocurrency, stocks, forex, anything screening according to your strategy is, of course, you guessed it, your strategy. I don't know if you already have a trading strategy. What is the trading strategy is when do I enter on an asset? When do I exit? What is my stop loss? How much risk do I accept? How many positions do I open? It's all that kind of stuff. It's which indicator am I using to look for the markets? Am I using, I don't know, RSI, stochastic, Ichimoku, moving average, ADX, all that kind of stuff that it's available to you, all the math, maybe sometimes the fundamentals, because I know some of you trade on the fundamentals. I don't do it because I don't know anything about fundamentals, but I'm not against fundamentals, absolutely not. I think it's a very, very useful and great thing. So you need, in the beginning, to create a cryptocurrency screener according to your strategy. You need to know your strategy. My strategy, for example, is I'm a trend following breakout trader. So I tried to create a screener that shows me coins that are bullish and that are close to a breakout. And thanks to that screener, I managed to find, there I got my cryptocurrency list of things that you see here. We have a coin that made a consolidation, went back above the resistance, and got back to the support level, and that now is confirming a breakout. You can still go below. Remember, we're not going to talk about technical analysis. I'm not going to make a technical analysis course right here. I'm just going to show you a few assets that I looked for. For example, I spotted that asset. We had this clear resistance area, and we broke out here on that candle with strength. Couldn't take the trade, but it was an amazing. We now retested that on the big correction at the Alcon market. Don't know if you remember that period. It was, I don't know, 1 or 2 months ago, maybe more. I think it was 1 month ago. We retested that zone. Here we have this asset OST. You had this beautiful W configuration where we had a breakout here on that candle. So you see, I'm trying to find a screener to spot all these kind of opportunities because I know my strategy. I know I'm looking for breakouts of consolidation range or trend following and momentum investing. I don't know what you're doing, and you need to clarify your strategy in order to create your own screener. Because if you don't know your strategy, first, you're never going to make money in the markets, but you won't be able to program your stuff. So to give you a rapid idea of, for example, one of the screeners that I have, so I have this sorting table where I get all my useful information. And I can show you, for example, the Ichimoku Daily Bullish screener on Huobi. So this is the simplest screener you can ever make with Ichimoku. I already did another video, but it was at the time where I was only testing out Ichimoku. So this is the criteria you can have. I'm not going to detail them. I detailed them in another video about Ichimoku. And then I look for USDT. Well, now we're going to serve BTC because it's going to be more obvious. And you have the BTC pairs that are bullish according to Ichimoku on that thing. And after that, because I'm a breakout trader strategy, I try to find coins that are in a position where I can trade them. So, this is a stable coin. I'm going to try to find one with you really quick. Yeah, for example, this one. We can hide Ichimoku. We don't really need that, but you could see this resistance area here, and you could tell yourself, well, once it breaks out and retests, I'm entering here, and I'm making the trade, dealing with my risk and all that kind of stuff, everything that trading is about. But you really need, before trading, you need to clarify your strategy, and because when you have your strategy done, you can program a screener. So Ichimoku. I have another one, which is, I don't know what this one is about. Let's see. Yeah, this one takes into account the market cap. and it scans Binance, Bittrex, and Huobi. So what I did on this one is I went to the USD pairs, only the USD pairs. So it's the price labeled in USD. And I sorted them by the lowest to the highest market cap. And that way you can find things that are really cheap coins, and you can ask yourself either you can buy them or not. Well, there are many liquidity problems, of course, with this kind of what we sometimes call shit coins. But you see, for example, you have MER USD that breaks out and is making a consolidation. So I could take a trade on that, for example, if there is other criteria that I meet. But you see what I'm saying. If you need to have a strategy in order to program a screener, you can't without a strategy, because you need mathematical criteria to tell your screener. Any technical indicator that you use can be programmed into the screener via, I remember the other videos that I made, the filter. It can be programmed to discriminate. For example, I can take a look at that. You could discriminate according to all that stuff. New 1 month high if you're doing momentum investing. New on-time low if you like knife catching. Around down, don't know what that is. ADR, average day range, average directional index, average true range. You can screen according to the Bollinger Bands. I don't know. There are so many possibilities. I am not the smartest guy in screener, but I had to think myself about my strategy and my screener because there was nothing teaching me about. So if you want to program your screener, you need your strategy. So I hope after this video you will start thinking about your strategy, and maybe you will be able to create a cryptocurrency screener. If you want to talk with me, please leave a message in the comments and we'll be able to talk about screeners and how you can improve mine or I can improve yours. I'd be very happy to know that, and I'd like to create a community centered around cryptocurrency screeners and spotting good trading opportunities, because there are so many different ways to spot good opportunities, and screening is one of them, and I think it's very useful. Tell me your strategy in the comments if you have one, and if you don't have one, please tell me, because I would like to know how many people watching this video don't have a strategy. Thank you very much. Goodbye.